Well, let's open an Etsy shop, guys. Alright, so the first thing it will ask you to do is just to pick an email address and a password. And if you already have an Etsy shop, then you just need to pick a different email address and you can start a second shop. So then you'll get this nice little window and you click open your Etsy shop. Open. Okay. So now it's telling me my account is unconfirmed and they'll send me an email, and I am just waiting for that email to get to me. So I've already clicked resend email. I'll just click it again. Why not? Alright, so shop preferences. Now you just pick your language. Mine is English. Shop country. United States. That's me. And your currency, dollar for me. And you just pull this and you can pick whatever one you want. Which of these best describes you? Selling is my full-time job. I sell part-time but hope to sell full-time. I sell part-time and that's how I like it. Well, selling is my full-time job. Alright, save and continue. Now, name my shop. Well, we already have a name. TV, not Teehee, that's silly. Check availability. That one is already taken. So we're going to go to the art. And it says it's available. Woohoo! Alright, so now we can start stocking our shop, but unfortunately I don't have anything yet, so I am just going to click add a listing. Okay, so since we have to put in something in our listings, we have two options. You can just put in an image that says coming soon so that they know that you're on your way to getting it ready, or like I did, you can put in a piece of your artwork. And that way, people who come across your site while you're getting it started will have an idea of your style and if they like it, and if so, they can follow. And you never know, you might just sell something. So we're just going to put up a dummy artwork, a dummy piece. And I just put in one of my old pieces that I used to sell on Etsy. I did not take this very seriously. I'm just putting it up there just to have something there. You will need to put a title, and you're going to need to talk about the listing, and you're going to need to pick a category. Now I'm just doing digital prints just because I don't want to have to worry about shipping and all that while I am setting everything up and working on my collection. So just doing digital print. All this is optional, so don't worry about it right now while you're just doing your dummy. Click on one of these, doesn't really matter. Click on one of the, well, if you're doing digital, then make sure it's a digital file. Just mention something, doesn't need to be all that interesting. And all this stuff you don't need to worry about. Put in a price. Again, I'm not really thinking about it. I'm just, here I put it in 100 so that they can download all they want. And make sure I put the file in just in case somebody buys. And then I'm just going to hit publish. And then I said I'm just going to hit publish. There we go. So now I have my one listing, and it's up there so for me to continue on and work on the dashboard of my site, and we will be starting that tomorrow. Now, if you want to follow along and watch me as I make my very own art business, then be sure to subscribe so that you get all the videos in order. And also, if you want more fun handmade
business goodies for free, lots of freebies, then you can follow my own personal coach, business coach, at cupcakesecret.com. And you can get all sorts of fun free stuff. All right, see you tomorrow.